Hey guys, it's me Miranda, and today I'm going to be talking to you about heat energy. Heat energy, I found all this information from houseandhome.org, and that's just what I'm going to be talking to you about today. Heat is the movement of energy, and temperature is the measure of average kinetic energy. Temperature is measured in 3 different ways, and those are Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin, whoever that is. When you the coldest temperature is absolute 0, and it's really, really cold. When you heat something up, its temperature gets higher because the particles are moving faster. Heat moves in 3 different ways, and those are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction, I like to think of it as like a relay race, because when something hot touches something cold, the cold thing gets hot. And that's what happens in relay races. The one person has a baton, and when they reach the other person, they give them the baton, and it keeps going. And so when something hot touches something cold, the cold thing heats up. Like, for example, if I had a really, really cold spoon and I put it in a thing of boiling water, then the spoon would get really, really hot. And I wouldn't want to touch the spoon because it'd burn me. And so examples of good conductors are metal, like the spoon that I just used as an example, or like silver, things like that, like my earrings, they're silver, things like that, for instance. Insulators, they conduct heat really slowly, and they keep things warm longer. Like, I don't know if you've seen those cups before that are metal, but they keep whatever's inside of them, they keep them either warmer longer or they keep them colder longer. So they keep the temperature inside, the heat or cold. I don't know if you've seen those divers before, the divers that dive into the ocean and water. They wear wetsuits that are like, they keep the body heat inside instead of letting it get out and getting the divers really, really cold. Radiation is next. And radiation is, it spreads heat without direct contact, like without you having to touch it. Like the sun, for example. We don't touch the sun, but we feel the heat, and especially in the summertime, because that's when the sun is really, really hot. And so next is convection, and convection is like a big hot air balloon. I don't know if you've seen those before. Some people ride in them, and they're at a few places, but hot air balloons are a good example of convection, because convection is when warm air rises up and the cool air goes down, and it makes the air expand, and so that's how the hot air balloon works. The fire at the bottom of the balloon, it sends the heat up into the top and makes it expand, and it flies. Then energy conversion is when one form of energy converts to another form of energy, like a hairdryer, for instance. When I plug the hairdryer into the wall, the cord, that is electrical energy. And whenever the hairdryer starts to blow onto my hair, it turns into thermal energy because it's got to blow hot air. And it's also kinetic energy because the fan inside it blows the air onto the hair. And it also converts to sound energy because it makes that really loud, obnoxious sound that nobody likes because all the things working inside of there. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today. Tune in on my Thursday's blog and hear about light energy. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Comment, subscribe, do whatever. Okay, bye. I love you guys.